Hello, my dear friend. This is Crazy Crypto here again with best project. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profits in the future. Before starting our video, request to all newcomers on my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin the review. Today project is about BitGet exchange. In today video, I'm going to show you how to use BitGet exchange step by step, especially if you are beginners in the crypto. If you have ever wanted to start trading or investing in cryptocurrency but didn't know where to begin, its will guide makes everything simple and easy to understand. Make sure you watch until the end of the and don't miss the important steps. So friends, here is the BitGet exchange. You can see, first of all, I'll quickly understand what BitGet is. BitGet is global cryptocurrency exchange that shows a user to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and do spot trading, access future trading, use copy trading and future. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders, which makes it a popular platform in the crypto space. Let's start with the creating your account. First of all, go to the sign up option, and if you click on the sign up option, you can see the interface like that. Enter your email address here, and referral code optional I will give you in the description. After that, next and give your password here. After giving your password, you can go through their OTP verification, and from there your email. After entering your OTP, you will get in the BitGet exchange. So we have already our account in exchange, so we will tell you more about the project. So friends, this is better tip for you. Always use a strong and unique password for security. Before do anything else, make sure your account is secure. Here is a few important steps. Enable Google Authenticator 2FA, turn on email verification, set up an anti-phishing code. And this feature helps you protect your account and features from unauthorized access. So friend, now let's add funds in the account. You can easily, there are two means: crypto deposits, and you can see these are the settings here, and you can easily deposit from here, and this is the crypto deposit option, or you can get from the verify. Now first of all, verification is very necessary from here. For verification, you click on your verify option and do your KYC here. After doing KYC, you can see click dashboard, choose a coin, USDT or everything, copy the deposit address and send crypto to it. So like that, you can easily deposit your funds there for beginners, and this is the for the USDT. So friend, like that, for the next you can see there buy crypto and sell and security buys and P2P bank deposit etc bank card. You can easily deposit from there, and you can easily click for the buy crypto from here. This is more similar to the more exchange. Now let's talk about the go to the trade section. If you click on the trade section, you can see this is the main thing of the BitGet exchange. You click on the trade option. When you click on the trade option, you can see the different pairs here: BGB, USDT, TAQ, and BTR, ETC, BTC, and XP, and different market orders by sell and instantly. You can see secure current prices, limited orders. Set your own price here, and beginners should start with the market orders because they are similar. So one of the BitGet's standard feature is copy trading. You can also do copy trading here, and you can see find it from here. After finding this, authorizedly complete this trade, and however keep its mind there is profits are not guaranteed. BitGet also offer future trading, which can more advanced to the risky. If you are new, it's better to learn first before trading features in the future trading. So like that, if you want to withdraw your fund, you can easily go to the withdraw option and easily withdraw from the here. That is not difficult. Go your wallet, click withdraw option, enter the wallet address, and confirm the amounts. Like that, you can easily see the markets here. And also crypto trading comes with a risk. Prices can be up and down quickly, losses are possible. However, some tips are from you start with. So friends, here are some tips. Start with a small amount. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research before depositing any amount. So friends, So here are some best tips for secure your account before you trading anything. Enable 2FA Google Authenticator. Also use a strong unique password. Set an anti-phishing code. Never share your login access code with anyone. If you are security in weak anything, if else doesn't matter. So start with small money. Also start with small money. Don't rush in with a big amount. Start with a small investment and trade as a learning money, increasing only when you understand the platform. Many beginners lost money because they go all in too early. After that, learn spot trading first. First of all, you yes, learn this spot trading here, and is you can see easily on the trade option. When you click on the trade option, you can see start with the spot trading only. Avoid feature trading, high risk and leverages, because high risks and leverage could loss in your option. Faster avoid future trading and high risk. Also the market orders to keep things simple. Future can simple out your account and wipe out your accounts and quickly if you are inexperienced. Don't trust guaranteed profits. If there is things like 100% profit, no risk trading, daily fixed income, these are the red flags. Crypto always involve risk. One can guaranteed profits. Be careful with their copy trading. Bitget offers copy trading, but past information and future result. Every expert traders lost up. Sometimes don't blindly copy and monitor traders. Also use small amount if you are try to it, and always do your own research before buying any coin. Check the project details, look at the market trends, avoid hype and random tips like that. Don't follow signals blindly from Telegram, WhatsApp groups like that. So double check deposits, withdrawals and mistakes are cost or the everything. Always copy the correctly wallets and check the network, TRC20, ERC20 or anything else. And send a small test amount first, and a wrong network permanently lost. Control your emotions. Don't panic, sell, don't chase dumps, and don't trade emotionally. I hope today video will give more benefit for you. If you like our video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much. See you in the next video very soon.